Ningbo Shenguang Electric Furnace Co. Ltd. was established in 1996. It is the leading induction furnace manufacturer in China. In nearly 30 years of history, Shenguang has provided services to more than 2,000 users worldwide. The company produces products widely used in steel, copper, aluminum and other metals smelting or heating, mainly used in metal casting and steel smelting industry. We can provide a complete production line, including smelting system, heating system, cooling system, dust removal system and automatic feeding system. The company has nearly 200 employees. It has 3 large production workshops and 2 research and development centers. Through our continuous improvement in research and development, each new generation of our products is more energy efficient and safer than ever before. So far, we have developed more than 10 generations of induction furnace. The company has been listed on the Innovation Board Enterprise, listing code 781,659. A number of invention and utility model patents. High-tech enterprise, new and special quality enterprise, national science and technology innovation, low-carbon energy-saving products. Quality, excellent demonstration, enterprise and many other honors. The company's products are sold all over the world. Quality first, customer first. For the purpose, contact us for a world-class induction furnace.